I don't know. This is too bright though.
I'm gonna go by the...
Now which one is Nicholas? Is he that one? Or is he that one? The world may never know. I hope it's that one. This one? The far one. Uh-oh. Nicholas, why are you so far away? Boom. We have located the brave soldiers. Haha! Yeah! Bitches!
Ah, that was the awesome thing ever. The best thing ever.
Ever!
Just fucking amazing. It's crazy. I was just scared a little bit
when you had to land on the other side of the highway?
When I opened the chute, I was coming straight to the power lines.
Yeah.
It was a little bit scary, but was just fucking awesome. Suck my dick. I was laughing my ass off. Awesome, awesome, amazing. I love it. I want to do one more, but at this time I want to learn that did easy.
Perfect. Congratulations.
Yeah!